Yesterday I told you something that kuna report jana ilipatianwa ya NIS to the president about how he has lost popularity and his regime. Now they were told and ordered, hata ukiangalia kwa zile video na zile mikutano ambazo Kasongo alikuwa jana, alikuwa na matusi na alikuwa na hasira. Go check. Uko ni Malava. Malava. Now, they were told to do whatever they can. So, now today, wameanza kufanya hizo maneno. Nilikwambia they run positive narratives to hoodwink Kenyans. Those Kenyans who do not understand the scope of politics and do not have an in-depth understanding of politics. Now, leo, wamewaiver the 1,000 ya kuchukua ID. The same people wenye waliingia wakaiweka. Wamewaiver. They want people to clap. Oh, ameanza kufanya kazi for 6 months. Amewaiver for 6 months. Oh, ameanza kufanya kazi. They create problems. They bring answers and they expect you to clap. Now, listen. This as well might be a trick. You remember the plan the government had, the register the Ethiopians, the Rwandans, the Burundi, our Congo wenye wako huku kuwapatia ID. So the government ikaona kuliko kuwa inawapatia pesa hiyo 1,000 wanaenda kuchukua. They waiver, wafanye mass issuing of the IDs, alafu they close that after 6 months. And they have calculated and seen that after 6 months, we will have accomplished our mission. Now, this is what I want to assure this oppressive regime. That even if muangushe bei ya petroli nyinyi mlipandisha, even if muangushe bei ya petroli, tukue tunapatiwa na 1 bob kwa petrol station 1 liter. Ama tukue tunaenda kwa petrol station watu wanakunywa mafuta bure. Muangushe nini? Now, another thing, this is what they are planning. Next year, they are planning to drop the house levy because of the civil servants. These are among many ploys that the government will plant to lure Kenyans back into voting Kasongo the second time. Mukimchagua the next term, kuisha sisi. Akia nani tutaisha kabisa. Do not be deceived. Do not be hoodwinked. Do not resist. Na tunasema one term, hata wafanye nini. We just want to see William Ruto out of presidency. Wacha tutafix hizo maneno zingine zote. My friend, do not musifungwe macho. I am telling you and I told you. Watch and see. Watch and see.